Hello and welcome. We are YouTube Basic. We're going to be showing you how to make a YouTube channel. Here you're going to be seeing the steps needed to make one. I made a dummy YouTube account and I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to make one. Click on the gear icon to get to the YouTube settings. Then click use a business name or other. Then I'm going to make something up off the fly, the dummy show, as my dummy account. As you see, we have no videos, but that's not a problem at this sec. You don't need videos to begin this process. You want to start this before you start uploading your content. Now, I would advise you to explore all of your Creator Studio tabs just to understand and really get all the features that it's giving you. I like to go to Upload Defaults. I really like to go through there and fill that out before I start uploading, so it saves a lot of work in going through and making those minute details. I like to keep it private at first, so whenever you upload it, it doesn't immediately go live. I have time to focus on the tags, description, titles, and the category. The category is going to be specifically what kind of video, what kind of content you make. The license, don't mess with the license. You don't have to mess with that kind of thing. The title, I would recommend something that you can put your name, your YouTube title, at the end, like dash YouTube Basic, or the Dummy Show in this case. Then your description is going to be where you put all your links to your merchandise, other websites, everything that would be useful to your audience. Tags, they're going to be super, I can't even elaborate how useful the tags are. I'd go to the YouTube search and I'd type in how to make a YouTube channel, and just keep finding phrases, and I would keep finding phrases like that to keep it going, make a list. And if you want a whole video on how to find good tags, let me know down below and I'll make sure I get that done for you. And as for all these other small minute things that you can pick, don't even worry about it. You don't have to mess with any of it. It's all standard. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned. Next episode, we're going to see how to make and add a YouTube banner. See you then.